Life. It's wonderful. It's busy. It's sometimes a little messy, isn't it? Between work, family, and everything else, keeping a perfectly clean house can feel, well, overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim your time and still have a more effortlessly cleaner home? I'm so excited to introduce you to what I think is the answer, the ILIFE T20s Pro. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's your partner in transforming your home cleaning experience. Let's first see what is included in the package. First up, the star of the show, the ILIFE T20s Pro itself. Look at the sleek silver grey finish. It's not just a cleaning powerhouse, it's designed to seamlessly blend into your modern home aesthetic. Next, we have the self-emptying docking station. This isn't just a charging base, it's your ticket to 70 days of hands-free cleaning. Imagine weeks without even thinking about emptying a dustbin. That's true freedom. Then we get two of these 3.5 liters large capacity disposable dust bags. This 2-in-1 hybrid dust and water tank is key for simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. And for spotless floors, we have two mopping cloths and the mopping base. We also get this amazing 2-in-1 floating roller brush for ultimate cleaning on all surfaces. Two side brushes to tackle those corners. One sponge filter and two HEPA filters. A cleaning tool for easy maintenance, and of course a user manual to guide you through the setup. To power it on, long press this button right here. And if you ever need to send it back to its docking station manually, just press this home button. ILIFE Clean app, unlocking smart control. The heart of smart cleaning is control, and the ILIFE Clean app puts that control right in your hands. Let me quickly guide you through connecting your T20s Pro to the app. First, download and install the ILIFE Clean app from your app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Sign up using your email ID and create your account. Once logged in, click on the Add Device option and select the ILIFE Clean application option. Then select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Now press and hold the power and home buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until you hear the AP mode voice prompt and see the Wi-Fi indicator light flash. Now connect your device to your robot vacuum by selecting the Robot Vacuum Cleaner network. Wait for the app to be connected to your robot vacuum. After the app connects with the robot, you can enter the operation interface where you can use different features. After connecting to the ILIFE Clean app, you can connect your robot to Amazon, Alexa or Google Home. For this, you just need to click on the Me option in the All Devices tab and then choose your Home Assistant in the Third-Party Voice Services option. Mapping for the first time. To create your first map, go to the Settings option. Then click on Map Manager. Then click on the Create New Map option. After this, your T20s Pro robot will start mapping out your house. Power-packed features of ILIFE T20s Pro. Advanced LiDAR navigation. The ILIFE T20s Pro is equipped with upgraded LiDAR navigation technology. Think of it as having a super smart cleaning strategist in your home. It scans your space 360 degrees, 4000 times a second, creating a detailed map to find the most efficient cleaning path. And also, you can save up to 5 maps with the ILIFE T20s Pro. This smart navigation isn't just about being thorough, it's about being intelligent. 6500 Pascal, ultra strong suction power. Now let's talk power. The ILIFE T20s Pro boasts an incredible 6500 Pascal of suction power. That's serious cleaning muscle. It effortlessly lifts deeply embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpet and floors. From everyday dust to those most stubborn messes, this robot tackles it all with ease. And it's smart enough to detect carpets and automatically boost suction for an even deeper clean where you need it most. Up to 70 days of continuous cleaning with the SelfMping Station. Remember that self-emptying docking station we unboxed? It's not just for show. With a 3.5-liter dust bag and the powerful 20,000 Pascal suction, it allows up to 70 days of hands-free cleaning. Imagine 10 weeks without emptying the dustbin. The robot empties itself in just 20 seconds. And you can forget about dust for weeks. That's pure convenience and truly uninterrupted cleaning performance. Simultaneous vacuum and mop. No more separate vacuuming and then mopping. It's all done at once. You can fully customize this in the app. and choose to just vacuum, just mop, or both for a spotless, streak-free finish. Along with this, you can also customize the level of suction and water usage according to your needs. Cleaning your home has never been this efficient. Extended runtime with large 5200 mAh battery. The ILIFE T20s Pro is equipped with a high-capacity 5200 mAh battery, providing an impressive up to 260 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Designed for maximum efficiency and extended performance, this powerful battery ensures that robot can effortlessly cover large homes, whether it's tackling multiple rooms, deep cleaning carpets, or maintaining spotless floor throughout the day. The T20s Pro just keeps going until the job is done. 2-in-1 floating roller brush. The ILIFE T20s Pro features a flexible and floating 2-in-1 roller brush. This smart design allows it to seamlessly transition across different surfaces like tiles, granite, cemented floor, you name it. The brush maintains close contact with the floor, ensuring a deep and effective clean on every surface in your home. No matter your flooring, you're guaranteed a thorough clean. Smart sensors for a safer, smarter clean. Safety and reliability are important. That is why the ILIFE T20s Pro is packed with advanced infrared sensors. Anti-collision sensors help it navigate around furniture and delicate items without bumping. Anti-drop sensors prevent fall from stairs. And anti-stuck technology ensures it can maneuver out of tight spots. It's designed for a smooth, worry-free cleaning experience, keeping both your home and the robot safe. Customized cleaning by a smart app. Under Forbidden Edit, Area Settings, No Mob Zones. Draw a yellow square to mark areas where mopping should be avoided, like carpets. No-Go Zones. Draw a red square to block the robot from entering certain areas you don't want it to clean. Virtual walls. Want to restrict movement further? Add virtual walls in your room to guide your robot and save them for future use. Under Room Edit, merge rooms, split rooms, or rename them to match your preferences and needs. Under Cleaning Plan Ordinary Mode, customize the suction power and water level based on your cleaning preferences, Plan 1 and Plan 2. Personalize the suction and water levels for each room individually and set the desired cleaning order. Under Smart Mode, turn on Smart Mode to clean the entire home automatically. Under Pose Mode, pick an extract spot on the map to clean. Under Room Mode, select one or multiple rooms for focused cleaning. Under Zone Mode, draw a specific area you want the robot to clean. Under Back Charge, tap Back Charge and the robot will return to the dock for recharging. Under Map Management, save up to 5 different floor layouts, perfect for multi-story homes. With the Settings option in the app, you can control your robot manually by operating it using the arrows like a remote control. Enable the continuous cleaning feature on your robot, allowing it to automatically resume cleaning from where it left off after recharging at the dock. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode for silent cleaning. Turn on the Y-shape mopping option for the robot to clean in a Y shape for a deep clean. The Y pattern cleans the stubborn dirt from your floor. Choose the Carpet Supercharged option for higher suction when cleaning carpets. You can change cleaning efficiency by choosing careful, normal and fast modes. Choose the unit conversion that you prefer. You can choose either square or feet. Click on the Looking for Machine option to locate where your robot is. You'll hear a voice from the robot that says, "I'm here." With the Schedule option, you can schedule the cleaning date and time. With the Voice and Volume option, you can control the volume and the language. With the Records option, you can check the cleaning history. In Consumable Management, you can check the life of the consumables, such as filters and more. Once you replace them, you can reset it. Dust Collection Switch. Here you can set how often the robot should transfer dust from its internal tank to the dust bag. Choose the number of cleaning cycle that works best for you. In the panel version, you can check the version of the app. Save up to 5 maps with multi-floor mapping. The T20s Pro can save up to 5 different flow maps. Imagine the freedom. Using the ILIFE Clean app, you can customize everything for each flow. Cleaning schedules, water levels for mopping, suction power based on flow type, and even how many times each room is cleaned. It's like having a personalized cleaning plan for every level of your home, ensuring a perfect clean no matter where it goes. Automatic recharge and resume. If the robot's battery ever runs low during a cleaning session, there is no need to worry. The ILIFE T20s Pro is designed for seamless, uninterrupted cleaning. It automatically returns to its docking station, recharges itself, and then resumes cleaning from the exact spot where it left off, ensuring no area is missed. This smart feature eliminates the need for any manual intervention, allowing you to enjoy a consistently clean home without lifting a finger. Smart Y-shaped cleaning mode. For a truly deep, thorough clean, the ILIFE T20s Pro features a unique Y cleaning path, mimicking the motion of a human hand cleaning, to ensure every corner of your home is spotless. Its back and forth action provides enhanced coverage, leaving no area untouched. You can also customize the cleaning process based on your needs. Whether you want to focus on edges, tackle a specific spill, or let it follow an optimized path, the T20s Pro adapts to all floor surfaces and clean preferences effortlessly. Complete coverage every time. Hands-free cleaning with voice assistance compatibility. The ILIFE T20s Pro seamlessly connects with voice assistants like Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Just use voice commands to start or stop your robot from anywhere in your home, letting you relax while your cleaning partner gets to work. Maintenance, easy upkeep for lasting performance. Regular maintenance ensure that your ILIFE T20s Pro stays in top condition for optimal cleaning performance. Let's take a quick look at how to keep everything in top shape. First, open the 2-in-1 dust and water tank to reveal the primary filter. Use the provided cleaning tool to thoroughly clean the dust tank. Clean the sponge filter once a week and allow it to dry completely before reuse. For the HEPA filter, tap it gently on the floor weekly to remove dust and replace it every 4 to 5 months. For pristine cleaning results, make sure to clean the dust tank with the provided cleaning tool. The following are some precautions to ensure the smooth operation of T20s Pro robot. Checking and cleaning the cliff sensors regularly for uninterrupted navigation. Wiping the charging pins on both the robot and the docking station to prevent dust build up and ensure proper charging. Inspecting and cleaning the side brush to avoid tangling from hair and debris. Keeping the nose wheel and roller brush clean and dry for optimal performance. When cleaning just your carpet, make sure to remove the mopping base. And of course, properly replace the dust bag in the self-emptying station when it's full. If you want to use the mopping function, the setup is incredibly simple. Just open the lid of the water tank here and fill it with regular tap water. That's it. Make sure not to add any cleaning solutions or disinfectants, just plain water. To ensure spotless clean, make sure your mopping cloth is attached securely to the base. Additionally, you can slightly rinse the mopping cloth before attaching it to the base. So there you have it. The ILIFE T20s Pro is your partner in creating a truly clean home. With its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, and smart app control, this graded cleaning companion ensures your floor stays spotless effortlessly. Reclaim your time, relax, and let the T20s Pro handle the cleaning so you don't have to. Welcome to a cleaner, smarter, and more enjoyable home. Visit the ILIFE website or call on the toll-free number to book a free demo.